Hi everyone, welcome back to SaaS Beast Pro. Hope you all are having a good day. Have you ever been deep in your workflow on Google Chrome and thought, man, wouldn't it be incredible to have a built-in AI assistant right here? Just imagine how faster, easier and more seamless everything would be. Well, guess what? The wait is finally over. Gemini AI has officially landed in Google Chrome to completely supercharge your day. Now, enough talking, let's dive right in and explore it together. First things first, let's open up Google Chrome. Just make sure you are logged into your Google account. Now, take a look at the top right corner. There is a new icon called Ask Gemini. Let's give it a click. A sleek new sidebar just pops right up. It looks beautiful. Now we will try to give it a prompt. I'm just going to pick one of these quick start suggestion prompts that are available right here. Let's click yes, this one. And just look at the response. Fast, smart and beautifully organized. It is an absolute game changer. Alright, now let's check out another brilliant feature. Right in here, if you click this icon, it will show you your history. Perfect. This is all the history that I have browsed, all the sites that I have browsed. You can go through all your recently browsed search histories. Isn't it great? It is an absolute game changer for those who do heavy multitasking and who continuously move through different tabs and websites at once. Now let's see another feature. Let's go to my Gmail. Okay, so there is a Gemini icon here as well. Let's give it a click. You will see a magic will happen now. If I click it, another sidebar opens up. Now let's give it a prompt that show me emails with attachments only. And it will just behave like your assistant. Let me hit enter. Okay, so you will see now that yes, it is filtered everything perfectly and brought up exactly what I needed. Next time you are hunting for an urgent invoice or a special document buried deep in your email, just ask Gemini and boom, it's right there in front of you. Now let's look at another feature. You might be wondering, it is amazing AI superpower limited to just Google apps? Nope, not at all. It works across your web also. Let's hop over a shopping site. It's Target. Here we are on Target's homepage, one of the best spot for little therapy. Now I will again click on Ask Gemini. Again that sidebar pops up. Now I'm going to give this a prompt as well. So let me just write that, give me the list of top deals of Target. And there you go. Gemini just pulled together the hottest summer deals available on the site. Let's click one of these links to check it out. Let me just click on this one. Okay. It makes shopping, exploring and finding exactly what you love so much fun. So this brand new update is a massive win for productivity and has already made my digital life so much easier. Okay, so give it a try and let me know what you think. I will see you all in the very next video. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel and join the SaaS Beast Pro family. Goodbye. Have a great day.